Ever feel like your money disappears faster than you can earn it? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of budgeting, a simple yet powerful tool to take control of your finances and start saving money today. Welcome to Manny's Wealth Code, where we decode the secrets to financial freedom. Understanding budgeting. First things first, what exactly is a budget? Think of it as a roadmap for your money. It's a plan that tells every dollar or naira where to go, so you're not left wondering where it went. The importance of budgeting. Why bother with a budget? Well, budgeting helps you gain financial control, know exactly how much you earn and spend. Achieve financial goals, save for that dream vacation or a new gadget. Reduce stress. No more sleepless nights worrying about bills. Remember, as the saying goes, a budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Steps to create your first budget. Step 1. Calculate your income. Start by determining your total monthly income. This includes your salary, side hustles, or any other sources of income. Step 2. Track your expenses. Next, monitor your spending for a month. Categorize expenses into fixed expenses, rent, utilities, subscriptions, why, variable expenses, groceries, entertainment, dining out. This tracking helps identify where your money goes. Step 3. Set financial goals. Define clear, achievable goals like short-term, building an emergency fund. Long-term, saving for a home, down payment. Goals give your budget purpose and direction. Step 4. Develop a plan. Allocate your income to cover needs, essentials like housing and food. Wants, non-essentials like dining out. Savings, paying yourself first is key. A popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Adjust these percentages based on your situation. Step 5. Implement and monitor. Put your plan into action and review it monthly. Adjust as needed to stay on track. Tips for successful budgeting. Use budgeting tools. Apps like Mint or YNAB can simplify tracking, automate savings, set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Be realistic. Allow some flexibility for unexpected expenses. Stay consistent. Consistency is more important than perfection. Common budgeting mistakes to avoid. Setting unrealistic goals. Be practical to avoid discouragement. Neglecting small expenses. Little purchases can add up over time. Not adjusting the budget. Life changes. So should your budget. Conclusion: empower your financial journey. Budgeting is more than just numbers. It's about empowering yourself to take control of your financial future. Start today, stay committed, and watch your savings grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Manny's Wealth Code for more tips on achieving financial freedom.